Good morning, guys. This is Vidur, and in this video, we will cover something different than we usually do. So, if you have attended any missed session before, any missed demo before, or taken a missed webinar class, one of the things that you would have heard is every second Wednesday is Christmas in Mist, right? This is something which I have heard multiple times, and I've actually spoken to the customers about this as well. I'm sure you also would have heard it. So we're going to try to shed some light on why that is, and why do we claim that every second Wednesday or every second week is Christmas in Mist, right? So okay, so let's get going. This is the Mist dashboard, as you all know by now. Anybody with a manage.mist.com account can get access to this. Okay, and we will try to see if really every second Wednesday is Christmas in Mist or not, because what is being said is that even when I do sessions for customers, I usually go and say every second Wednesday is Christmas in Mist. We launch new features, new enhancements for customers to play around with, and we try to make the product better in whichever way we can. Okay, and that is the reason why we claim that. So how you can actually look at that and verify that information is very straightforward and simple, and not a lot of people know this, so it's going to be a good video for you to understand and actually figure out that what Mist claims is actually absolutely true. So this is the Mist dashboard. I'm going to take your attention right to that top corner where you see a question mark. You click on that and you see something called the feature updates. This is visible to anybody and everybody who has a manage.mist.com account. So usually this is not hidden. This is visible for everybody, and so that people can go and see what are the new features which are launched in the last update. So I'll click on this and I'll be taken to a new tab, right? This is the new tab, which is a product updates tab. Here you can see the June 30th update, June 17th, June 3rd, May 20th, May 11th, which basically tells you that yes, every second week there is an update. Every second week in the calendar there's an update coming out from Mist, whether it's a Wi-Fi assurance cover update or a wide assurance update or anything in Marvis coming up new, any enhancements happening, any fixes that are going on in the previous codes. You will see everything here, and this is something which you should look at whenever you get a chance, if you're running a Mist network or you want to learn about Mist, because this is something very handy. So let me click on the June 30th update. This is the latest update that came out. It came out 4 days back, and let me click on this and see what really happened in this. So I do see Marvis updates happening, and I see something new came out in Marvis Actions. It says let me just zoom in a bit so that you are able to see it well. Other actions, basically other actions came out. It's a new section in Marvis Action dashboard. This tells you, if this is to highlight other actions across your entire org which are less urgent and don't require immediate attention, right? This is something which has been out since 30th of June. So I think now I actually want to go and verify if this is actually the case or not. Okay, so let me quickly go to the live demo org. You have seen this before. I'll click on Marvis. I'll click on Marvis Actions, and boom, I do see one other action here. Let's see what it is. So it tells me that, okay, I see a persistently failing client right here. If I click on this, it tells me, okay, this client is failing .1x. Let me click on that and see, okay, this is the client that has been failing .1x persistently. So that's something wonderful, because this is something new that has come out, and this makes life very easy for all of us. Of course, managing the network, running the network, connecting on the network, this is world class. So let me go back to this particular tab. I want to just run through this and see what else we have. Yeah, we saw the persistently failing clients. Okay, port flaps. Okay, this wasn't there before. This is something new, and I'm seeing this for the very first time myself. Okay, I see an option for port flaps. We will be able to recognize port flaps happening on the switch, and this is seen under the switch tab here in port flaps. Okay, so time to go and verify this as well. Okay, I'm going to take you back to live demo, and in the switch option, I see, yes, I do see port flaps. Currently, there isn't an issue going on, so I don't see any port flaps happening. But I do see an option which wasn't there before 30th of June, of course. So this is great. Whatever they are saying, they are putting it out there so that all of us can enjoy and actually make use of these new features. Okay. So similar to this, you can go and browse through and figure out if you see these new options coming up. And if you want to go back and see what all happened in the in the update before this, you have the option to go to 17th June, 3rd June, May 20th, and you can go all the way back to whatever date you want to. You see, there are 14 pages here, so you can keep on clicking on next and go and see whatever update happened in the past. So this is something great, I mean, because this is usually not visible to customers when you talk about other vendors. This is something which is hidden, because usually because the frequency of updates that come out with other vendors is not that great. I've worked with other vendors before, and I would say, I don't know, once in 6 months or twice a year is pretty much when they release codes, or they release enhancements and fixes to the bugs. It's something which Mist really takes pride in, because when we go and present it to the customers or our partners, claiming that we do updates and enhancements every second week, we mean it, and this is the proof. This is the live proof. So, I mean, guys, this is not easy, because releasing something every second week takes a lot of effort, and I do know that the Mist team is working 24/7 out there to make sure what we promise we are delivering to the customers and making life easy on the ground, and this is the proof of that. So in case you have, if you want to know more about different dates, different updates, feel free to click on them and get in and do some more research, figure out what came out in the other codes, other updates, and if those functions can be useful for you. These updates will consist of wireless, wired, Marvis, SLEs, anything and everything, location, anything and everything in the Mist dashboard that you can see. Even on WAN assurance, you will see a lot of updates coming out. So this is something wonderful. Guys, if you have any questions on any updates, anything that you want to understand more, any feature that you want to understand more, feel free to mention that in the comment, and I'll try to make a video of it, or I'll try to clear it out there and then on in the comment section. Fantastic. So guys, this is pretty much what I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.